Let's try this example together. So I have x squared plus 45 greater than or equal to 14x. So we're trying to graph this one. Make sure it's graph. You'll be able to graph with the left side equal to 0. Okay. So first we need to make this inequality one side equals 0. So the easiest one you can do is to get rid of 14 by subtracting 14x. Right, so by subtracting 14x, I'm going to be able to make a 0 on this side. Okay, so that means we're going to do subtracting 14x the same on the left side. So I'm going to rewrite this one. If you're subtracting or adding something, you always put them at the end. Okay, so minus 14x. Okay, so this one is we have with 0 on one side, but we still need 0 on the left side. So just like the previous video, all we have to do is to bring the 0 to the left. Okay, 0 to the left, and also you need to switch the inequalities into less than or equals, because we're comparing the opposite way now. Okay, something is greater than 0, that means 0 is going to be less than something. So the rest we're just going to rewrite x squared plus 45 minus 14x. And now this one is graphable. We can graph this one in the graph. Just put this one in, hit delete. Okay, just turn on your graph. I don't want an equal, so I'm going to hit delete right here, and then choose the inequality which is less than or equal to number 1, and then I'm going to put in x squared plus 45 minus 14x and press enter. Okay, this one is shaded outside. Okay, so outside I'm going to write shaded outside. I'm going to write shaded outside. Just mean is auto shading solution is outside right here. So next we need to get a 0 on here so we can compare. Sorry, someone was doing trick or treating. Alright, so I'm going to press magnify 1. Okay, and then I go all the way to the 0 so I can write the two numbers for the x. Oh, there you go. So the first 0 is negative 5. That means the number right here is negative 5. Let's go ahead and find the other 0. I mean positive 5. Sorry. Let's go to the right side. I keep going until I see the other 0, which is 9, 0. So 9 is right here. Since it's shaded outside, I'm going to write outside mean I'm going to include it or. You see? So the first one is to the left of 5. I'm going to write x less than 5. Or to the right of 9 is going to be x is greater than 9. Since our problem have the line underneath, which is a solid, for solid graph, I'm going to include a line underneath as well. So my answer is going to be x less than or equal to 5, or x is greater than or equals to 9. Okay, so just to recap, first I get rid of the 14x to make a 0, and then I'm moving the 0 to the left side because I can graph with the 0 on the left side only. And then if you move the 0 from the right to the left, you need to flip the inequalities into the less than or equals, grab the whole thing, and you're going to see shaded outside. Shaded outside, we're going to get the 2 0 next to know what's the the two numbers we're comparing. And then we're going to write our answer. Outside mean or x less than 5, because go to the left, or x is greater than 9, because getting bigger than 9 on the right side. We're going to do kind of same thing to number 3 right here. So first we need to make one side equal 0. So let's make the right side, because that's the easiest one, the term, which is one term. So I make this one a 0 by adding 7x. I'm going to do the same to this side. So I'm going to rewrite everything. X squared plus 10 plus 7x, the one I'm adding right here. Everything is greater than 0. Okay, now I cannot graph with the 0 on the right. So next step, I'm going to be moving the 0 to the left. Okay, and I'm moving 0 to the left, and I have to flip the inequality. So now my new inequality will be x squared plus 10 plus 7x. Now this one I can graph and then see if it's shaded inside or outside. Alright, so I went ahead and graph it, and I see this one is shaded outside. I have the right 0 is -2. And the left 0 is -5. So we're going to write our answer, which is, since this one is shaded outside, your answer will have the word or. Okay, so the left 0 was -2 and the right 0 was -5. Well, -5 is the left 0 and -2 was the right 0. Okay, sorry. So I'm just going to rewrite x is less than or equal to -5, or x is greater than or equal to -2, because -2 is on the right side and -5 is on the left side. Okay, so in overall, shaded outside means you're going to have to write the answer x less than the left 0 or x is greater than the right 0. Alright, review everything and you should be able to do it now.